Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can add text outline in the Canva. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So firstly, open the Canva application and select any template which you want to make. For example, I want to make YouTube banner or YouTube thumbnail. That's why I will select YouTube banner. So after that I will select blank template. So I will show you how you can add text outline very easily. So here I will write something. So here you can see add heading options. So here I will write add text outline. So after that I will increase the size of text, and after that I will select this text, and you will see there are different options at the bottom side, and you will see effect options. Click on it and you can see there are different options. When you will move at the left side, you will see outline options. So click on it and then click on it again, and you will see thickness options. So click on it and you can increase the thickness of text. So in this way you can see text outline is added. So you can also change the text outline color. So you can see it looks very amazing. So guys, in this way you can add text outline in the Canva. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.